Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at the HomePod Mini. No, this isn't the Mini. This is the full-size HomePod that we've had for a while, and this is the Mini. So the Mini is really mini compared to this. I mean, we're in the box and look at the difference in size. It still has that little light thing on top, which is kind of nice. But they do all the same things. They talk to Siri, they play great music. I think these are smaller speakers, so they're probably not going to be as nice as the ones in here, but I understand they're pretty good. We'll for sure check that out. But the other thing that this thing does that I think is really cool is what's called tap to listen. You'll be able to take your phone, if you're playing music here, you'll just tap it like this, leave the phone here, and it'll transfer the music from your phone right onto the speaker, not miss a beat. If you move the phone away, it'll move the music back to your phone. So we think that's a really cool feature. So let's go ahead and give this a review. So stay tuned for that review, and thank you for watching.